Welcome to the Explainer. Okay, I've got to tell you, I am genuinely thrilled about what we're digging into today. We are going to completely reverse engineer a highly profitable, beautifully simple, and easily buildable AI startup, all custom designed for the private rental market. Sometimes the absolute best startup ideas aren't the ones with the most mind-bending sci-fi tech architecture. Nope, the best ones are elegantly matched to a specific, painful, and recurring problem. And today's concept, an AI rental listing optimizer, is exactly that. It's a real game changer that saves property owners and letting agents actual time and cold, hard cash every single time they list a property. Okay, let's dive into this. I want to read you two property descriptions for the exact same flat. Same location, same size, same price. Ready? Description 1. Two-bed flat, second floor, double glazing, close to shops, available now, no DSS. Wow. Okay, now listen to description 2. A bright, well-proportioned two-bedroom apartment on the second floor, filled with natural light and positioned just minutes from local amenities, excellent transport links, and a thriving high street. Available immediately for the right tenant, right? I mean, which one of those is going to get more inquiries? Which one rents faster and brings in a better quality tenant? It's completely obvious. Yet that first description is what a shocking number of rental listings on major platforms actually look like right now. This proves exactly why landlords desperately need better copy. So here's our roadmap for today's explainer. We'll kick things off with the accidental landlord problem, then we'll introduce the 3-minute solution, break down the under 100 tech stack, map out exactly how we turn those listings into revenue, and finally outline a 3-step launch. Let's start with section 1, the accidental landlord problem and the 2.3 million market. And honestly, this right here brilliantly illustrates the core of the issue. Take a look at this massive 60% slice of the UK landlord market. We're talking about accidental or portfolio landlords who own fewer than 5 properties. These folks are not professional property managers, and they certainly aren't seasoned copywriters. They're just regular individuals who happen to own a flat, and maybe have 15 minutes on a Sunday evening to sit down and write about it. And because they aren't pros, they usually just rush out a terrible description, or maybe copy and paste a mediocre old one. What happens? Well, it leads directly to a market absolutely flooded with underperforming, honestly uninspiring listings. And here's the kicker. Those bad listings have real financial consequences. Let's look at the numbers. Every single week a property sits empty, it's lost rental income. If you've got a property renting at £1,200 a month, a bland listing that extends your vacancy by just 1 extra week costs you exactly £277, literally down the drain. If our tool creates a better listing that reduces vacancy by just 1 week, it has instantly paid for itself many, many times over. But wait, beyond just losing money to bad writing, there's a hidden danger lurking here: accidental non-compliance. UK rental listings have incredibly strict legal requirements. For instance, since the Tenant Fees Act of 2019, certain fees absolutely cannot be advertised. You must include Energy Performance Certificate, or EPC ratings, and houses in multiple occupation, they have very specific licensing disclosures. Getting these details wrong exposes landlords to severe legal risks that they often aren't even aware they're taking. So the problem isn't just poor writing, it's poor writing combined with massive legal exposure. Which brings us to section 2, the 3-minute solution, fast AI generation. Let's see how this translates into a beautifully simple product workflow. We are taking an intimidating chore and transforming it into a seamless 3-minute experience. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1 is a quick 2-minute input form, just basic property details, or maybe pasting in an existing rough draft. Step 2 is the AI generation, where the tech does all the heavy lifting for you. And step 3, a simple 1-click publish to copy those amazing results straight to their clipboard. Done. Now, what exactly is happening in that magical AI generation step? Well, the tool simultaneously generates 3 critical things. First, optimized copy. We're talking a compelling headline and a benefit-led structure with a tone perfectly calibrated for whether it's a student studio or a family home. Second, a market pricing range based on public rental index data just to give landlords a really helpful estimate. And third, a strict compliance checklist that flags things like missing EPC ratings or unlawful fee language. The AI acts as your master copywriter, your market estimator, and your legal guardrail, all at once. Let's talk about the tech. Section 3, the under 100-pound tech stack, simple and accessible. Looking at this setup, it's actually amazing how incredibly accessible this build is. We have a very straightforward matrix here. For your front end, React gives you a clean, single-page form. Your back end is just a minimal Node.js setup acting as a bridge. Supabase handles your database for saving listing histories. And the heavy lifting? That's done by the Cloud API for the AI layer. The best part is you can host the whole shebang on Vercel's free tier early on. You don't need to build complex machine learning models from scratch, and you don't even need expensive live API pricing feeds for your MVP. Static reference datasets work absolutely fine here. Now, because the architecture is so simple, you might be wondering, well, where's the value? The value in your competitive moat isn't in thousands of lines of complex code. The real craft here is the prompt engineering. Your main job is spending a few days meticulously, and I mean meticulously, iterating your Claude API prompt. You need to ensure it handles tone perfectly for different property types and correctly enforces the rules of your compliance checklist. That perfectly engineered prompt, that is your actual product.
So, the crucial point here is the underlying economics of this tech stack. Running a single listing through the Claude API costs roughly 2 to 4 pence. Pennies. If you charge a landlord $4.99 for a one-off listing generation, you are operating at an absolutely astounding 99% gross margin. This is an incredibly lean, high-margin machine.
Okay, Section 4, turn in listings into revenue. We've got 4 clean tiers. We can break this revenue model down into 4 beautifully clean tiers. First, the $4.99 pay per listing. No account needed, just instant value. This acts as your rapid acquisition engine. Second, a $14.99 a month landlord subscription for unlimited listings and saved templates. Third, your recurring revenue anchor. Agency subscriptions running from $49.99 to $99 a month, allowing small teams to do bulk generations and save hours of staff time. And finally, platform partnerships with giants like Rightmove or Zoopla, where you actually share revenue for integrating your tool directly into their ecosystems. When you combine these tiers, the math becomes incredibly compelling. Let's put this into perspective. If you acquire just 200 pay-per-listing users a month, add about 100 individual landlord subscriptions, and land just 30 letting agent subscriptions, your projected revenue leaps right over the £6,400 per month mark. Even at a modest scale, this revenue feels mathematically inevitable. And remember that 99% margin we talked about? Yeah, virtually all of that £6,400 is pure profit.
Finally, Section 5, the 3-step launch, from pitch to profit.
We've got a very specific sequential execution strategy here. Move 1 is the before and after social media loop. You simply find terrible listings currently live on the market, run them through your tool, and post the 30-second transformation online. Property is such an emotionally charged topic, and honestly, people just love to cringe at bad listings. It's a genius marketing angle that requires absolutely zero ad spend. Move 2 is offering free trials in tight-knit communities, like the National Residential Landlords Association forums. And Move 3 is direct agent outreach. For that direct outreach, you're going to want to target the approximately 15,000 small letting agencies in the UK. Specifically look for the smaller ones. We're talking teams handling maybe 50 to 200 properties. Send them a direct, honest email offering a free trial. These small agencies have the absolute most to gain from saving administrative and writing time, and they usually don't have the budget for massive enterprise software. They are, for sure, your perfect recurring revenue customers. We've covered the problem, the tech, the math, and the launch. And honestly, if you know basic React and prompt engineering, you could realistically build the foundation of this product in a single weekend. It really is that accessible. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a question to ponder, something that proves exactly why this product needs to exist. Think back to your own experiences hunting for an apartment. What is the absolute worst rental listing you have ever seen? Keep that terrible listing in mind and imagine the business you could build by fixing it. Thanks for joining me.